Almost lost it on the wheelie.
Mario here with your outdoor adventures. Today we are looking at the Bison, and comes with two shells, so you can choose blue and black. You've got your little cotter pins that are going to hold the shell on. And there's your main components. And like I said, you can tell by looking at some of the parts that are on here. They are upgradable. And a wheelie bar on the back, so when you punch this, you can pop your wheelie and it go here, and you may end up hitting this, but this wheelie bar does a lot of protection on it. And stock controller. Controller is going to run on 4 AA batteries. The car itself is going to use, and we've got a 2200 milliamp battery, and there are 2 batteries included. You do have one that's already in the car when it comes, and you'll have your other one. Go ahead and charge these up, and we are going to get a charge on these so I can take this outside and run this down the street. I'm definitely looking forward to running this through its course and seeing how well it holds up. So this is the Bison Sport Car 110 Bison, and the wheel rims are going to be interchangeable. The rim itself is going to be interchangeable. Tires can be upgraded. Once again, the shocks on this can be upgraded. You can use metal shocks on this. You also want to make sure that your springs are going to be sufficiently oiled. There is oil that you can get for these as well. We do have a headlight bar on here as well. Let's see if this came with any charge on it. It did come with a charge, so we are powered up. And you've got multiple pin slots. You've got an additional 3 pin slots in here, so you can add accessories to this and tap into those 3 power slots to run accessories. So if you say you wanted to put a bar up, a light bar up here, something along those lines, you can tap right into the existing pins. All right, well, let's get this outside.
All right, we're going to take it out and see what kind of distance we can get all the way down to the end of the road here. Range is still good. I'm not going out in the middle of the road. Let's open it up.
We're going to do a range, and we're going to run it all the way down there to the white van.
Still able to steer, still have control. Look at that distance. I am loving that distance. Can you see it on there? Whoop. I'm down there past the truck. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. We'll find out when I play the video back, but here we come, bring it back.